option, that much I can say. So here we have other storage methods, untreated biomass in soils like mulching and other methods. All this add to carbon sequestration only. Then forestation, blue carbon, the carbon that is stored in water and it goes deep into water, something like that. Even CO2 in materials, including plastics, anything that also goes into soil can remain for 100 years easily, like that. Then biochar in soil, then deep sea storage of CO2, even pumping like your soda bottle, carbon dioxide, the carbon dioxide taken by waves and through the microbial life, and it can sink down, like your shells, all that they do otherwise. But capturing and storing methods are also there, because the pressure itself is a cap, Dakkan jaisa. Because under huge pressure, if you put some gas also, it remains there once it goes below. Biomass burial, all our burial grounds will be suitable for that. If we can claim. Huh? So geological storage of liquid CO2 and bio oil, underground ocean alkalinity, and many other things are there. So here how many years age is also there actually, which storage method will contribute to how many years of this thing. Yeah. So here you see, I said biochar here around 100 to 1000 year range period it is there somewhere. Okay. This is something like our peat, lignite, all that they were there, existing like that 1000+ years, and mineralized CO2 in concrete. See, somebody for curing the cement walls, they are pumping carbon dioxide. Actually, calcium carbonate. Carbonate is there already. By putting carbon dioxide, they can absorb the cement walls. So that way also they are trying to get some credits, including my biochar bricks. But biochar bricks doesn't give so many credits because I am not growing plants on that. In biochar, when it is applied to soil, because we are growing more vegetation using the biochar, that also adds value. In the presence of biochar, more soil organic carbon exists by default. That also adds value. So here we have multiplier thing in biochar. So that way biochar is the best solution among all the solutions as of now. That's why in the earlier picture I shown, they are shown in the corner, first corner. Okay. This is IPCC report, so you have to believe. If I am putting some other report, don't believe. Okay. And Tejas said already they are increasing this area, storability, gigaton storability, means they are will be expanding it like this. Are you getting? It is like square, it will become like rectangle as we are seeing in afforestation, reforestation, like that. So that is the thing. So this is how it is happening, like in carbon cycle, that is what you see usually. But when you integrate biochar, so from atmosphere through photosynthesis, the carbon dioxide is getting into plant. From plant biomass through pyrolysis under less oxygen condition. Pyrolysis means or no oxygen. It is something like that. No oxygen, like smokeless का मतलब क्या हुआ? Very less smoke or no smoke, something like that. ठीक है ना? ऐसा ही सोच लो. तो उसमें pyrolysis होता है. And here actually when we apply this into soil, so it with organic matter carbon sequestration हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Means we combine with organic matter or whatever soil organic matter is there, that one, this one together, and it will also retain nutrients and it gives to the roots. Okay, enhance soil microbial activity in its presence. मतलब biochar plus organic matter and nutrients ये पूरा होने से ये भी हो जाएगा. होने के बाद improve root system, root uptake बढ़ गया तो automatic your plant बढ़ गया. So this is how the cycle is, simple cycle. ठीक है ना? So you got carbon sequestration and how carbon credits and all that, an idea?